Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you all are doing well. So this is Iram here. This is my first video with my favorite recipe with full of crisp chicken donut. So let's start the video. Our first ingredient is boiled potatoes. First mash these potatoes and next step is add onions. Next you need to add coriander, corn flour and salt, red chili, turmeric powder, and next one is 1 egg. Now add 1 cup of breadcrumbs and mix it well like this. Now let's start the process of the chicken. Cut the chicken into small pieces and add chili sauce, soya sauce, add spices, chicken tikka and mix all these very well. Okay, so now add this spicy chicken in the mixture. Mix this very well. Next we need 2 eggs. So here the final step starts. Give this mixture a shape of the donut like this. Add this donut into a egg like this and then to a breadcrumbs. That's it. This is the final shape. Okay, so time to fry this. Add oil into a pan. Add donuts. So here this is the final look. Your crispy donuts are ready. Yummy.